I'm Adeola Gboyega, professional makeup artist and beauty contributor for SheerLuxe, and welcome to the Beauty School. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top brushes and tools that I think you need for your makeup kit. So the first one is this brush from It Cosmetics. I absolutely love this one. It's a synthetic brush and it really is amazing at giving you that perfect foundation application. It's dual-ended, so this one's really good to use if you're applying your concealer under your eyes. So a really great tip, if you didn't know that, is that the way your brushes are made is that they have these two areas here. So you've got the lighter area here and the darker one. This is the area that you want to focus on with your application so you don't get any of those streaks when you're applying your foundation. And I find that by just using the tip of your brush, just this bit here, gives you that perfect application that looks really, really flawless. The next brush is this one from Real Techniques. It's called the 242 brush. So what I really love about this brush is that it emulates your fingertips. Now, the way that I would use my fingers obviously to very lightly pat it, but I find that if I use my finger, it will just lift off the actual concealer and it won't give you that coverage, whereas this brush, it allows you to give you that really flawless application, but it also gives you the coverage at the same time. But just look how beautiful that is and how it's blended in seamlessly with my skin. The next one is an angled brush. Now this one is by Adeola. It's the 004 brush and it's one of my most used makeup brushes in my kit. I love using this with my cream bronzer, which you can see is very well loved. I always love to use this brush to give you a little bit more definition on my face. So I start to apply it on the top of my forehead, but because it's also angled, it's really good to kind of carve out any shape and definition I want to apply on my face. So under my cheekbones, top of my forehead, but also along the jawline. You can just see that there. Now the next brush I would recommend to have is a fluffy brush like this one. This one's really good for any eyeshadow application that you're going to be doing. One, because it allows you to lay your foundation flat onto your eyelid, but also to help blend it through your crease. I like to apply my eyeshadow like this first of all. That will help you to lay your pigment down. And then just using the tip of the brush, that will help you to blend it through, which is so important when doing any of your eye makeup looks. You don't want to see any harsh lines and edges. So a brow brush like this, or another term for it is a spoolie, is always good to have. This will allow you to brush your brows up, keep them in place and nice and groomed. And then on this other end, you've got this beautiful angle, which is also really good for you to utilize as an eyeliner brush, but also if you're applying any sort of powders through your brows to give you that nice arch and defined look. Powder puffs are amazing because they allow you to get a very flawless application of your powder, especially if you're going to be using it under your eyes. Now this is what I like to do. I like to load up my powder puff like this, and I like to then take the powder puff and use it to set my under eyes for a very flawless finish. This is great if you're doing baking, maybe if you're doing your makeup for a night out or for a very long day and you want your makeup to stay in place. I also like to focus on any areas that I get quite shiny, because I also find that this kind of soaks up any of that excess shine throughout the day, and it's a really good makeup artist hack. So those are my top makeup brush and tool products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this installment of Beauty School.